Welcome, my beautiful soul. I'm about to guide you through a practice for cleansing your consciousness. I invite you to sit in a comfortable position, keep your back straight, rest your hands on your lap, and gently close your eyes. Let's begin with 3 deep breaths. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth with the sound ha. Let's do it together. The first thing we will live in 2024 is anxiety. This restless mind that keeps bringing more and more ideas, causing us stress. We don't need it in the new year. Scan your body and locate this feeling. Where is it stored? Where do you feel the tension that tells you to stay alert, to keep running, to never relax? You don't need to do anything with it. Simply allow it to be and observe the sensations in your body. It might be subtle, like a small point, or a larger cloud that covers you from head to toe. Just observe it. It's true, life is full of changes and surprises, and it's not always easy to keep up. Our mind spends so much time in the future trying to anticipate decisions, or, in the past, dwelling on memories. This is what the mind does when left untamed. But you are not your mind. You are the one who uses your mind as a tool for growth, for evolution. And when the mind spirals out of control, all we need to do is bring it back to the present moment. Right here and right now, you are sitting and observing sensations in your body. There is no need to think about anything else. Use your breath to soften and dissolve these unpleasant sensations in your body. Inhale deeply and exhale into the area where you feel tension. And notice how with every exhale, the anxiety begins to leave your body. Let's continue together. Inhale and exhale. In and exhale to the place where you feel this tension. It could be very subtle, but I'm pretty sure you found where your body stores it. And just allow through breathing, dissolve this sensation, dissolve this tension. And remember, whenever anxiety returns, you can come back to this practice. Let's do a couple more rounds. Inhale and exhale. In and out. One more time, in and out. The next thing we will leave in 2024 is self-criticism, because we absolutely don't need it. Scan your body and find where the sensation of not being good enough is located. Is there a blockage or tension? It's often right in the center of the chest, making us close off and hide from others. Again, there is nothing you need to do with it. Simply allow it to be and observe it. Now, imagine yourself as a tree. What kind of tree are you? What image comes to mind? Are you a specific type of tree? Maybe it's a tree from your childhood, your favorite one, or perhaps an entirely imaginary tree. Explore how you look, your branches, your leaves, maybe even your flowers. Wow, how beautiful you are! Now look around. You are not alone. There are other trees around you, each unique. Palm trees, oaks, birches, pines, apple trees. Together, you are part of a magnificent garden. Each tree is beautiful in its own way, and so are you. Trees don't compare themselves to each other. They grow, enjoy the sun, and share their flowers and fruits. Self-criticism often stems from comparison, from feeling we need to be taller, stronger, or more fruitful than others. But deep down, we are like these trees in the garden, unique and extraordinary, with no need for comparison. Keep breathing. Inhale, exhale. Observe how the tension of self-criticism starts to dissolve. You are enough, exactly as you are. Keep breathing. Inhale and exhale into the place where this tension located. In and out. And just observe, just allow this sensation in your body dissolve and disappear. Inhale and exhale. In and out. Whenever you find yourself slipping back into self-critical patterns, remember, trees don't compete. They don't judge themselves or each other. They simply grow at their own pace. And that is more than enough. Let's have a couple more inhales and exhales. In and out into the place where this tension was. In and out, and allow it to let go. In and exhale. Now, let's leave pessimism in 2024. Sometimes life can be tough. Things don't always go as planned. Dreams may not come true, and some days feel devoid of light. But remember, the sun rises every morning, no matter what. Even when it is cloudy or stormy, the sun is still there, shining behind the clouds. Focus on the center of your chest and imagine a small sun glowing there. With every inhale, it grows bigger, and with every exhale, it radiates light. Inhale, grows bigger, and exhale, radiates light. In and out. At first, it fills your body, but we continue breathing. Inhale, it expands. Exhale, shines brighter and brighter. Inhale, becomes bigger. Exhale, shines from your chest. As you continue breathing, it expands, illuminating the room around you. Keep going. Inhale. The sun in your chest becomes bigger and bigger. Exhale, it shines brighter and brighter, filling the whole room with the light. Let's see if you can brighten the entire city. Keep breathing. Inhale, goes bigger. Exhale, radiates light from your chest. Inhale, bigger. Exhale, shines brighter and brighter. Inhale and exhale. In and out. This light within you is a reminder, as long as we breathe, we can create change. Even in the darkest moments, the sun keeps shining, and so can you. Let's do a couple more of these deep breaths. Inhale. Feel how this light grows in your chest. Exhale. Let it shine for the whole world. Inhale becomes bigger. Exhale shines for all the people in this world. Inhale becomes even more. And exhale shines as a true sun from your chest. Allow this feeling that everything is gonna be amazing, just be. And we move to our final one. Let's leave grudges in 2024. Grudges are among the most toxic emotions. Holding on to them is like poisoning yourself and expecting it to harm the person who hurt you. Return to your body. Where do you feel the tension or blocks caused by grudges? What prevents your energy from flowing freely? Don't try to change it, just observe and allow it to be. When we feel offended, it means we care about the person. Think about it. If a stranger bumps into you on the subway, you might feel annoyed, but you don't hold a grudge. Why? Because you don't care about them. Good news, your feelings of offense mean you care. The issue arises when someone doesn't act as you expected them to. Now, I invite you to look at life on a larger scale. Everything in life happens for a reason. Each of us is a tool in the hands of divine forces. Call it God, the universe, or higher consciousness. We cannot control the world or other people, but we can control our reactions. Keep breathing into the tension caused by grudges. With every exhale, let go of the need to control others. Inhale and exhale. In and out. In and out. Acceptance doesn't mean letting people treat you badly. It means seeing them as souls, as pieces of divine, and connecting on a deeper level, a level where we can find compassion and speak from the heart. Let's do a couple more breaths and allow this tension dissolve completely. Inhale and exhale. In and out. In and out. Place your hands on your chest and feel the warmth there. This is your love, radiant and infinite. You are wonderful. You are radiant. You are unique. Give yourself a big hug. Now open your eyes and step back into your epic life.